Yes, listen carefully, dear students. Now we discussed about Wurj reaction. There in Wurj reaction, one important application. For example, cyclic compound you have to take cyclobutane. It has two halogen substance. Means Wurj reaction means what, dear students? 2 moles of alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to form a symmetrical higher alkanes. So here two halogens are present at different carbons in cyclic compound. For example, chlorine and chlorine is present. Now this undergoes reacts with the sodium metal. So here sodium 2 moles is required in the presence of dry ether. Okay, students. Now it is a free radical substitution reaction. Then these free radicals are formed as intermediates and loss of 2 NaCl. Okay, students. Then forms a new carbon-carbon bond here and gives a bicyclic compound. Okay. Now the product is, this is the product, bicyclic compound. This question previously asked also. What is the product? Okay, students. And Wurj reaction, you have to remember carefully. Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction means what it is, dear students? Aryl halides. Fittig reaction. Aryl halides. 2 moles of aryl halides in the presence of sodium metal and a dry ether. Dry ether produce biphenyl. Produce biphenyl is known as a Fittig reaction. Okay, students. And Wurj-Fittig reaction means, already I said, alkyl halide and aryl halides to gives alkyl benzene. To gives alkyl benzene is known as a Wurj-Fittig reaction. Okay. Now let's see that remaining named reactions. The one is Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reactions. Okay, students. So Friedel-Crafts reactions are two types. One is alkylation. The second one is acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and acylation reactions. Both are very, very important. In this reaction, the catalyst is AlCl3, aluminum trichloride, and it is, this reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. So the Friedel-Crafts reactions are electrophilic substitution reaction. These are two types. The first one is alkylation reaction. Alkylation reaction. Okay, what it is, dear students? Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Let's see. For example, benzene means aromatic compounds easily undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. We know very well. Benzene reacts with alkyl halides in the presence of AlCl3 catalyst, okay, to produce alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene, and in this reaction the electrophile is R plus carbocation forms stable carbocation electrophile. Okay, students, already in first PUC we have studied electrophilic substitution reactions mechanism and all. Okay, let's listen some important applications regarding to alkylation reaction. For example, benzene reacts with simple alkyl halide is methyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3. Now then the product is methyl benzene or toluene. Now in this case the electrophile is CH3 plus. This electrophile is CH3 plus, methyl carbocation, because the alkyl halide has only one type of carbon atom is present. For example, instead of methyl chloride, ethyl chloride you have to take CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. In this case the product is ethyl benzene. The product is a ethyl benzene. Okay, students. Now, in this case, the electrophile is equals to ethyl carbocation. Is a primary carbocation because this is a primary carbon and it is also primary carbon only. So, and produce only primary carbocation, and this is only stable carbocation. For example, in this case, you have to take a CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, 1-chloropropane reaction with benzene is very important, this reaction. Now, what is the product in the presence of AlCl3? Now, you have to think about that. Whenever this alkyl chloride means it is a primary alkyl chloride, means propyl 1-chloropropane. Okay, students, this reaction with first the catalyst will react with alkyl halides. Means the catalyst help is to generation of electrophile because it is electron deficient. Then this chloride ion will be goes to this chloride ion will be abstract to the AlCl3 and generates a primary carbocation. This primary carbocation is unstable. Okay, students, CH3 bond CH2 plus, this is primary carbocation, unstable. Okay, and byproduct loss of AlCl4 minus. Now it is rearranged by the shifting of this hydrogen and produce to gives more stable secondary carbocation. Already we know that carbocation stability order. Tertiary carbocations are more stable than secondary and then primary. So here primary carbocation initially formed and it is rearranged to give stable secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is a stable. Now in this reaction, the product is, what is the product, dear students? Now this this benzene reacts with the stable carbocation intermediate. The electrophile is secondary carbocation. This is the electrophile. It will be attached to the benzene ring and produce isopropyl benzene. This isopropyl benzene has one common name is there. We are used this reactant for the preparation of phenol, that is cumene. It is also called as cumene or isopropyl benzene. So when benzene reacts with 1-chloropropane, so the product is isopropyl benzene is the major product, but not this. For example, you in the options, if you are thinking this just CH2 bond CH2 bond CH3, 1-phenyl propane means it is wrong. Your did tick mark this means it is wrong answer, because in this Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction the electrophile is carbocation. If there is a possibility to chance rearrangement and produce more stable carbocation intermediates, more stable carbocation intermediate, that's why rearranged means 1-chloropropane undergoes rearranged to gives more stable secondary carbocation. That more stable secondary carbocation is the electrophile. It will be substitute on benzene ring and produce isopropyl benzene or cumene is the major product. Okay, 1-phenyl propane is not the formed in this reaction. Okay, if you are did this tick mark, then it is wrong. So the correct product is this. It is the major product and rearranged product. Okay, students, this type of reactions are very important in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. Let's see one more example. For example, benzene ring we know very well, and instead of 1-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane you have to take this 2-chloropropane, that chlorine, if it will be cleavage and produce more stable secondary carbocation. Then in this reaction there is no rearrangement and produce the direct product is isopropyl benzene or cumene only, the major product. So okay students, this is the major product. Now some other instead of alkyl halides we have to prepare alkyl benzene by using alcohols and alkenes. If we are used in acidic medium, then also we can get alkyl benzene. So what are those other reactions for the preparation of alkyl benzenes? Other reagents, let's see. Benzene, we know very well. This benzene reacts with alkenes. CH2 double bond CH2 alkene in acidic medium. In acidic medium, okay, in acidic medium, what happens, dear students? This pi electrons will be moves like that. Here negative and positive charge it will generate. This negative charge abstract this H plus ion. In this case, the electrophile is ethyl carbocation, CH3 bond CH2 plus. So benzene reacts with alkenes in acidic medium, produce electrophile. That electrophile will be attached to the benzene ring and produce alkyl benzene and produce here alkene, ethene is involved in this reaction, then we are getting ethyl benzene is the product, ethyl benzene. For example, in this case, if you are used CH3 CH double bond CH2 propene, if you are used then acidic medium, then according to Markovnikov addition reaction, that H plus ion, the positive ion will be added at more hydrogens containing double bonded carbon and produce more stable carbocation and produce more stable carbocation, that is okay, secondary carbocation is the product, the electrophile. Now the product is isopropyl benzene. If propene you are used, then we are getting isopropyl benzene. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction means benzene reacts with alkyl halides in the presence of AlCl3. We are getting alkyl benzene. So that alkyl benzenes we can prepare also when alkenes reacts with benzene in acidic medium, as well as alcohols reacts with benzene in a acidic medium. Then also we'll get same alkyl derivatives of benzene. Okay, students. Let's see. Previously in JEE mains examination, they are asked this question. For example, benzene reacts with cyclohexene. Reaction with cyclohexene in the presence of acidic medium. What is the product? Okay, now this pi electrons are moving. Then negative charge. This negative charge abstract H plus ion and adjacent carbon to produce secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation will be attached to the on benzene ring. It undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction and produce cyclohexyl benzene, like product will form. Cyclohexyl benzene. It is also one example for electrophilic substitution reaction. And see, I said this same alkyl benzenes also reacts when alcohols reacts with benzene in acidic medium. Alcohols ROH in acidic medium. This alcohols OH group has lone pair electrons are present. It abstracts this H plus ion and produce ROH2 plus charge, and it will be cleavage by loss of water molecule and generates R plus. R plus is the electrophile. This electrophile will be means this group will be cleavage and produce R plus. This electrophile will be attached to the on benzene ring and produce alkyl benzenes are the products. Okay, students, alkyl benzene. Okay, now so this alkyl benzenes we are preparing by another methods, means benzene reacts with alkenes or as well as alcohols in a acidic medium. You have to remember these are very very important for NEET and JEE examination. NEET and JEE examination. For example, one more, benzene reacts with ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. Ethyl alcohol in acidic medium produce ethyl benzene. Okay, CH2 bond CH3. Same this propyl alcohol used, propane 1-ol. Propane 1-ol means is a primary alcohol. Whenever primary alcohols are present, they undergoes rearranged to produce more stable carbocation intermediate. Stable carbocation intermediate. It will be cleavage and produce primary, and this hydrogen will be shift to produce stable secondary carbocation intermediate. Stable secondary carbocation intermediate, and the product is a benzene ring is attached, carbon is secondary carbon, CH3 like isopropyl benzene or cumene is the product. Okay students, these are very very important. Now let's see some other exceptions in Friedel-Crafts alkylation and alkylation reactions. For example, this question also previously they are asked in NEET and JEE examination. Let's see and tell me the answer. For example, benzene. Okay students, benzene reacts with CH2Cl2, dichloromethane. CH2Cl2 means dichloromethane. Now this excess of benzene we need to use. Excess of benzene reacts with dichloromethane in the presence of AlCl3. What is the product? What is the major product, they will ask. First, this AlCl3, CH2Cl2 reacts with AlCl3, reacts with AlCl3, aluminum trichloride, and generates CH2 bond Cl plus, the electrophile. It is the electrophile will be generated. This electrophile will be attached to the benzene ring. It will be attached to the benzene ring and produce benzyl chloride. CH2 bond Cl, then benzyl chloride. This benzyl. Okay, this benzyl chloride is a product. This benzyl chloride, excess of benzene I said, means again this benzyl chloride reacts with another benzene, because the benzene we are used excess in the presence of AlCl3 catalyst, because the catalyst does not involved in the reaction. So again AlCl3 is there, it acts as a catalyst and it cleaves benzyl chloride into benzyl carbocation. So the electrophile is benzyl carbocation. This benzyl carbocation electrophile will form. This electrophile again attached to the benzene ring and produce 1,1 diphenyl methane. This name is 1,1 diphenyl methane. Okay students, 1,1 diphenyl methane is the major product. Okay, don't confuse. So don't think only simply benzyl chloride. Okay, so benzene we are using, excess of benzene means 2 times Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is possible. Okay, 2 times alkylation reaction is possible. This previously they are asked in JEE and NEET examination. So this is about a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay, in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, straight chain alkyl groups we cannot prepare. Okay, so how to prepare straight chain alkyl groups means first we have to do acylation. That acylation group, that carbonyl group we have to reduce, then we'll get straight chain alkyl groups. Okay students, for example, acylation reaction, C, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. What is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction? Now in this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, for example, benzene reacts with acetyl chlorides, means acyl halides or acetyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3 catalyst. Okay, now in this case the electrophile is equals to RC double bond O plus. Now it will be attached to benzene ring and produce aromatic ketones. Okay, if R equal to CH3 group, then we'll get acetophenone. acetophenone is the product. Okay, students. Now this is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, there is no rearrangement takes place. For example, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, Cl you have to use in the presence of AlCl3. Okay, then the product is C double bond O, CH2, CH3 group will take place. Here the electrophile will be formed at carbonyl cation. At carbonyl group, the electrophile will forms. Electrophile is forming at a carbonyl group. There is no rearrangement. Now this product, this compound, again you want to convert it into 1-phenyl propane. 1-phenyl propane means CH2 bond CH2 bond CH3. This 1-phenyl propane, like this product formation is not possible in a Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If you are tried, means what will get? Only isopropyl benzene will get. We won't get a 1-phenyl benzene. Sorry, 1-phenyl propane we cannot prepare. This 1-phenyl propane you want to means C double bond O group. We have to do reduction in this group. The C double bond O group you have to reduce either Wolff-Kishner reduction or Clemmensen reduction. Zinc amalgam by HCl, then the C double bond O group is converted into CH2. Okay, now this compound I am treated with zinc amalgam ZnHg by HCl, then I am getting 1-phenyl propane is the major product. 1-phenyl propane is the major product is forming. So N-alkyl benzenes. N-alkyl means triet alkyl group you want, means first we have to do Friedel-Crafts acylation followed by reduction of carbonyl group into alkanes. Then we'll get straight chain alkyl groups containing benzene derivatives will get in Friedel-Crafts acylation. Means 2 steps. But direct in Friedel-Crafts alkylation it is not possible, because in that reaction more stable carbocations are formed as electrophiles. Okay, student, this is about Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reactions. So in this Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction, exceptions means for example electron donating groups like NH2 OH NH or NR2, like groups on benzene ring cannot undergoes Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reactions cannot undergoes Friedel-Crafts reactions. Why? For example, benzene ring having NH2 means aniline. So aniline, that nitrogen having lone pairs are present. Aniline does not undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, because that aniline having lone pair electrons, it reacts with AlCl3, forms a complex, because AlCl3 is electron deficient. It is a Lewis base. It acts as a Lewis base. It acts as a Lewis acid and forms complex. And decreases catalytic activity. Decreases catalytic activity. That's why these when aniline, phenol, such type of compounds does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reactions, either alkylation or acylation reactions. At the same way, some strong electron withdrawing groups, like NO2 and CN and CF3 groups present also cannot undergoes Friedel-Crafts reactions, because the strong electron withdrawing groups decreases the electron density on benzene ring, then the electrophile cannot attack easily. That's why then the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions and acylation reactions also not possible. Even strong electron withdrawing groups. Strong electron withdrawing groups. Okay, student, this is about Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reactions. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reactions. Okay, students. Next important named reactions is MPV reduction. MPV reduction. MPV reduction reaction. What is MPV reduction? MPV reduction reaction. MPV reduction reaction means carbonyl compounds, means ketones. Okay, students, ketones mainly. Ketones are reduced in the presence of AIP, aluminium isopropoxide. Aluminium isopropoxide in isopropyl alcohol, in the presence of isopropyl alcohols. Isopropyl alcohols to convert it into secondary alcohols is known as a MPV reduction, and the reversible reaction is known as a Opner oxidation reaction. Opner's oxidation reaction. Okay, students, let's see example. For example, ketone, like different types of ketones you have to take, like 2 1 2 3 4 butane 2-1. This butane 2-1 in the presence of AIP. AIP means aluminium isopropoxide. This is OCH CH3 and CH3. This is aluminium isopropoxide thrice, AIP. Aluminium isopropoxide in the presence of isopropyl alcohol. Then it is converted into secondary alcohol, and another this isopropyl alcohol to gives ketone. Okay, and the reverse reaction, the same reagent is AIP only, aluminium isopropoxide and acetone, because the isopropyl alcohol is converted into acetone in the presence of acetone, and it is converted into oxidized into ketones. Oxidized into ketones is known as a Opner's oxidation reaction, is known as a Opner oxidation reaction. Okay, students, let's see. Next important reagent is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent, dear students? Grignard reagent means alkyl magnesium halides are known as a Grignard reagent. How to prepare Grignard reagent? For example, alkyl halides reacts with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. The presence of a dry ether produce RMGX, alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard reagent. What is the use of this Grignard reagent? In this Grignard reagent, alkyl group carries negative charge because the alkyl group is attached to the metals. That's why this Grignard reagent is also called as OMC, organometallic compound. OMC, organometallic compound. This alkyl group has negative charge. That's why it acts as a base as well as nucleophile. It acts as a base as well as a nucleophile. PHIL. It acts as a base as well as a nucleophile. Now, basic properties of Grignard reagent we'll see. Basic properties. Okay, basic properties. Whenever Grignard reagent reacts with acidic proton, for example, AH, this H is acidic proton. Acidic proton reaction with acidic proton containing organic compounds forms RH, hydrocarbons. For example, Grignard reagent RMGX reacts AH, where A is equals to OH group you have to use. Then water. If A is equals to ROH, alcohols, RO group, and AH is equals to NH2 means ammonia, and X, A is equals to halogens means HX, like carboxylic acid, COO group, or COO group, like carboxylic acids. Next, terminal alkynes. Terminal alkyne. These are all groups because these all contains acidic proton. Like you have to think H and H. This acidic proton, and this is bonded with H. Acidic proton. This is bonded with H and is bonded with H and is bonded with H. These are having acidic proton. This acidic proton is abstract. In that case, it acts as a base and produce RH and produce RH. That R is alkyl groups, different alkyl groups, maybe alkyl or aryl groups. Then we are getting corresponding hydrocarbons are the products. Okay, students, this is about basic properties. Now, one important example when Grignard reagent, you take any Grignard reagent, dear student. One example, methyl magnesium chloride, CH3 MgCl. Methyl magnesium chloride reacts with terminal alkynes and produce new Grignard reagent. That new Grignard reagent again reacts with alkyl halides to produce higher non-terminal alkynes. Means acidic protons containing alkynes means terminal alkynes only. Means the triple bond must should be in terminal, then it having hydrogen. That sp carbon containing hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. So when it reacts this any group C bond CH3 propane prop 19, now it has negative and positive charge. This CH3 group will be abstract this plus and produce methane CH4, and in which the byproduct is, so here in all cases the byproducts are MgAX. So here A is CH3, C triple bond C bond MgCl. Again, it is a new Grignard reagent. It is a new Grignard reagent. This new Grignard reagent reacts with alkyl halides, like any alkyl halide. It acts as a nucleophile. It acts as a nucleophile. It undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. This negative and positive charge and produce CH3 C triple bond C bond R, higher alkynes, non-terminal higher alkyne. Higher alkynes we can prepare by this method, and the byproduct is MgXCl. Okay, students, these are basic properties of Grignard reagent. Now, nucleophilic properties means Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent acts as a nucleophile and it involves in nucleophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay, students. So while Grignard reagent acts as a nucleophile, it involves in nucleophilic addition reaction with carbonyl compounds. Means with carbonyl groups.